The world is changing, it always has and it always will. What will the world look in another 20 years? The job market will be very different in 2030 than it is today. So what skills will be needed in the future and how can you prepare for it? Well, in this video we look at the skills needed in 2030 and some ways you can get those skills today. First, advanced medical technology. Advanced medical technology will be needed in 2030 to help people with chronic diseases, such as diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. Advanced imaging techniques, such as CT scans and MRIs, will be important for diagnosing and treating these diseases. Other advanced medical technologies that are likely to be in use in 2030 include gene sequencing and stem cell therapies. Second, robotics. Robots are machines that can be controlled to carry out specific tasks. They can be used in a variety of settings, including factories, warehouses, and airports. In 2030, it is expected that robots will continue to play a role in many industries. They will likely become more sophisticated and able to do more complex tasks. In addition, they will become more affordable and easy to use. Third, advanced manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing is the process of producing products by combining physical and digital processes. This technology has allowed for the development of new products and processes that are not possible through traditional manufacturing methods. Some skills that will be needed in 2030 include computer science knowledge, as advanced manufacturing relies heavily on computer-aided design, CAD, and engineering tools to create products. Advanced manufacturing capabilities, such as 3D printing, robotics, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Strong communication and teamwork skills, as teams will need to work together to develop new products. Fourth, advanced transportation systems. Advanced transportation systems will need to be able to handle more people and traffic, as well as be more energy efficient. They will likely also need to be autonomous, in order to reduce the amount of human interaction required. Fifth, advanced agricultural technology. Advanced agricultural technology will be needed in 2030 to help improve crop yields, increase food safety, and reduce environmental impact. The technology will include advancements in robotics, data analysis, and genomic sequencing. Sixth, sustainable energy production and consumption. By 2030, the world will need to find ways to produce more sustainable energy. This means that we need to find ways to produce energy without damaging the environment. Some skills that will be needed in 2030 include understanding renewable energy sources, creating efficient technology, creating self-sufficient systems. Seventh, predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the application of statistical modeling to make predictions about future events. Predictive analytics can be used to identify patterns in data, trends, and customer behavior that can help businesses make better decisions. Some common uses of predictive analytics include predicting demand for a product or service, forecasting financial results, and predicting the impact of marketing campaigns. Eighth, cybersecurity. In 2030, the skills needed for cybersecurity will include computer science and engineering skills as well as knowledge about security protocols. These professionals will need to be able to identify and fix vulnerabilities in computer systems, monitor networks for signs of attack, and create policies and procedures to protect data. Ninth, advanced communications and networking technologies. Advanced communications and networking technologies will be needed in 2030 to support the increasing number of devices and connections. These technologies will include wireless networks that are able to connect devices without having to use cables, virtual reality and augmented reality technology that allow users to experience different environments and scenarios, cybersecurity measures that protect against attacks from hackers. 10th, large-scale artificial intelligence. Large-scale artificial intelligence will require skills in machine learning, computer programming, and data analysis. These skills will be needed to create algorithms that can learn and improve on their own. Additionally, AI systems will need to be able to communicate with one another and process large amounts of data. 11th, genome editing and sequencing. In 2030, genome editing and sequencing will be essential skills for anyone looking to enter the workforce. Genome editing is a technique that allows scientists to change the sequence of a gene. This can be done using a number of different methods, including CRISPR-Cas9. Sequencing is the process of determining the sequence of all or part of a DNA molecule. 12th, integrated product development and quality control. Integrated product development and quality control will be important skills in 2030. Integrated product development is the process of designing and creating a product as a whole, from beginning to end. Quality control is the process of making sure that products meet customer expectations. These skills are important because they help companies create products that are both innovative and high quality. Companies that can integrate product development and quality control into their workflow will be able to create products that appeal to customers, who will be more likely to buy them. 13th, predictive maintenance and failure detection. Predictive maintenance is a field of computer science that deals with the prediction of failures in machines and systems. Predictive maintenance can be used to identify problems before they cause system failures, and to make repairs before these failures occur. Failure detection is the process of detecting impending or actual failures in an electronic system. Failure detection can be used to prevent system failures from occurring, or to detect them when they happen. 14th, health informatics. Health informatics is the application of information and communication technologies to improve the quality and efficiency of healthcare. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from creating patient registries to tracking medical device recalls. In 2030, health informatics will be essential for monitoring patient health, managing chronic diseases, and improving patient safety. Health informatics professionals will need skills in computer programming, database management, and information security. 15th, advanced materials science and engineering. Advanced materials science and engineering will require skills in areas such as chemistry, physics, and engineering. Many of the materials used in modern technology are advanced materials, so it is important that engineers have a strong understanding of how to create and use them. 16th, real-time data analysis and visualization tools. Data analysis and visualization tools are becoming increasingly important in business and government circles. In 2030, data analysts will need to be proficient in using a variety of tools to analyze data and visualize results. These tools may include computer programs that allow users to explore and interact with data in various ways, software that can generate graphs and charts that help users understand trends and patterns, web platforms that allow for easy sharing of data among different entities. 17th, advanced manufacturing execution systems. Advanced manufacturing execution systems are software programs that help factories organize their operations and improve their efficiency. These systems allow factories to track the production of various items, monitor workers' productivity, and make adjustments as needed. They also help factories stay compliant with safety regulations and quality standards. 18th, advanced food production and processing technologies. A number of skills will be needed in 2030 in order to operate advanced food production and processing technologies. These technologies include precision farming, biotechnology, food engineering, and agricultural science. Precision farming is a type of agriculture that uses technology to improve the accuracy of planting and harvesting activities. Biotechnology is the use of genetic engineering to improve crop yields or to create new types of crops. Food engineering is responsible for developing new methods for food production, processing, packaging, and delivery. Agricultural science is the study of crops, livestock, and environmental issues related to agriculture. In addition, workers will need knowledge about computer-aided design, CAD, information systems management, ISM, supply chain management, SCM, human resources management, HRM, marketing and distribution strategies, as well as plant biology and plant pathology. 19th, advanced materials characterization. In 2030, advanced materials characterization will be essential for developing new materials and improving the performance of existing ones. This field entails the examination of physical and chemical properties of materials using various techniques, in order to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Advanced materials characterization can help determine how well a material will perform in specific applications, as well as help researchers develop new ways to use existing materials. 20th, sustainable supply chain management. In 2030, many industries will be required to manage sustainably. Sustainable supply chain management is a key skill for those in the food industry, as it helps reduce environmental impact and protect resources. It also helps to ensure that products are delivered on time and in the right condition.